Don't throw away stale bread, make this recipe and surprise everyone. For this recipe we are going to cut for loaves. I'm cutting to the width of a finger, right, like this. And we will add in a greased shape and sprinkled with wheat flour. I am now going to add 6 eggs in a container. And hit very well. People are already commenting to me. From which city are you following us that I will send a super special hug for each of you who comment. I will now be cutting a tomato into cubes and adding to our container. Also cut half an onion into cubes and add to the omelette. Also cut chives and add. Let's add it to 200 grams of sour cream and mix very well. And today, I'm going to send you a special big hug to Emily from Detroit, Michigan. Thank you so much for always following us. I thank you immensely. I'll add it now for seasoning. Add a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper. And we are going to mix all these ingredients very well. Add over the buns. And then with the spatula we will spread it very well. Now I'm going to add slices of ham. And also slices of mozzarella cheese. Put pepperoni sausage. Like this, finish with a little oregano. And bake at 392 for 25 minutes. And our recipe is ready. And it was super delicious. I'm sure all of you who make it will love it. So if you liked it, share it, and until next time. Goodbye.